To guarantee that your mat stays secure, you may want to install our Stay Put corners. Adding these corners will ensure that your mat doesn't slide around when driving onto it while cleaning it, and will assist in removing wrinkles. So here's how to install our Stay Put corners in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Lay down your auto floor guard mat with the logo facing up and position the mat on the floor where you want it. Step 2. Mark the floor with chalk or tape around the corner of the edge of the mat. Step 3. Wipe down your mat corners and floor with alcohol wipes or use a rag with the rubbing alcohol. Allow time to dry to ensure that no liquid gets into the adhesive. If you're doing this in the winter or in a cooler environment, we highly recommend using a heat gun or a hair dryer to warm your garage floor surface before adding the adhesive. This will ensure that the adhesive has more sticking power. And finally, step 4, peel off the back of the first half of the Stay Put corner and place the adhesive side on the floor. After placing the first half on your garage floor, remove the back of the second half and connect the Velcro to the first. After that, carefully press down onto your mat corner and secure the Stay Put corner to the floor. Hold for at least 30 seconds, firmly pressing down with the palm of your hand. You'll repeat these steps on all 4 corners, but be mindful not to pull too hard when installing the other corners, as the adhesive still needs time to fully adhere. Also, please note that some garage floors will not work with the adhesive on our Stay Put corners, and it's not the fault of the material. There's no guarantee that these will adhere to your surface.